Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to edit PDF on iPhone, so without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to the App Store and then search for PDF Export. And after installing it, open it. And now you have to choose the file that you want to edit. So go to your files and choose the PDF file. And then here, click the text that you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to edit this one. So just click and click edit. And there you have it. You can edit the text whatever you want. You can also add some image, link. And then you can also highlight some text and erase it. And then that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you, and if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.